Okay, we are now going to be cutting our plank of wood, and in order to do that we need some equipment. One of them is the bench vise, which is attached to the side of your bench. And it has this to rotate it to close and open it. You're going to be putting your bench hook, which looks like this, into that. Before you do that, you need to figure out if you're left-handed or right-handed. The right-handed people should have the groove on the right side, and if you're left-handed, you flip it, and it's just on the left side. So I'm right-handed, so I'm going to be placing my bench hook into my vise this direction. Place it in flat, big enough gap to slide it in, and then just tighten it up. That then provides a stable place for you to do your cutting. You're going to be using a tenon saw today to cut that. The reason why we use a tenon saw is because it gives a very good straight line because of the extra support of metal on the top. You find your bit of wood as we begin. The notch, it doesn't matter which side your notch is on, but I'm going to put it towards the top because then I can see my line really clearly. I place it right next to the edge of the bench hook, and using the base of my hand, I'm going to apply pressure downwards like that and hold on to my bench hook. This then allows a stable place, so this doesn't move around, for me to start cutting. If it's wobbly, it will make it much harder to make a straight line. So you can see there's been a bit of pressure there. So you're going to apply pressure, and then with your right hand, if you're right-handed, you're going to get your tenon saw, and you're going to use the edge of this to support your saw, and you're going to very gently apply pressure downwards and in a forward and backwards motion, just to create a groove. Now, it takes a minute to get the groove. Once you get the groove, you will see there's a groove starting to appear there. It'll be much easier once the groove has appeared. So I usually just go backwards, lift, go backwards, lift until it's there, but you can also go forwards if you feel comfortable because the teeth grab the wood fibers. So once it's in, now I can start to just go back and forth, and always using this part of my bench hook to place this against it to help it go into a straight line. So we'll just continue. Way. I'm not applying too much pressure. It is doing the sharp teeth are doing the work for me.